Okay, here we go. Part 3 of repairing the dam with a core trench. This video, I have to cut the dam in half to allow the water to drain from a torrential downpour of rain when I was out of work, out working for a week. Come back, the rain was so intense that it filled the pond almost all the way back up. It had been drained. If you notice in the first couple of videos, there was hardly any water in there, and I was able to work around it then, but of course you can't when the water's as high as it is now. So I went in here with the loader, cut the dam, drain the water out, get the water drained out. Next, it'll make it a lot easier to do the trenching and the coring and putting it all back and getting it much the good dirt over to pack it in, and in essence finish the work itself. So here the water's drains for a while. Probably I let it drain for a day and come back to it the next day and dug it a little bit deeper and wider, the trench and all that stuff, and that'll be in the next video. So much water came out, it went downhill towards my neighbor's property, and crossing his driveway, we thought it could drain or wash his driveway out, which it didn't, but it did put a lot of water down there. You'll see a picture of it here in a second in the video after we sit there without the machine on and just listen to it drain. The next picture after that will be his driveway. And then that's it. That's the end of this video for this one. And then the next one, I'll show you cutting the dam even deeper and wider and all of that stuff.